Florence, Italy. Beautiful and majestic. Today I'll be sharing my hotel recommendations and, especially if you're a solo female traveler, the perfect hotel for you. Stay tuned.
Living my life like it's golden. 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 Golden. Living my life like it's golden. Living my life.
Greetings, I'm Sean, and I create videos to help you walk with confidence, explore new places, and live life without regrets. If you're new here, consider subscribing. In Florence, Italy, I stayed at the Hotel Florence, Joy Hotel. It's right across the street from the main train station. Fabulous boutique hotel, which included breakfast. It's modern. As soon as you walk in, it smells like a spa. It's centrally located to your attractions. I could walk to the various tourist attractions. I caught the bus, which is across the street at the train station. I took the bus to Piazza Michelangelo, which is about 35 minutes away. Everything else was within walking distance. The Duomo, restaurants, and the markets. I was traveling solo and felt very comfortable and safe here. I highly recommend it for women. The rooms were spacious, as you can see. Compare that to my Rome hotel. Be sure to watch my Where to Stay in Rome hotel after you watch this video linked above. It was a clean hotel with all the amenities. The staff was excellent and the hotel was quiet. Book your hotel as soon as you know you're going to Florence because during peak season it is very expensive. People recommended nice hotels, but they were $300 and above. The Airbnbs that I looked at were booked and I needed to be centrally located. If you're gaining value from this video, hit the like button. Check out the cozy bathroom. I used it all. The bidet, the bathtub. It was so comfortable. I hope this video helps you as you plan your trip to Florence. Leave me a comment and let me know if you stay at this hotel or if you have ever stayed at this hotel before. Safety is paramount when I travel solo, and I wanted to share this with the ladies. Breakfast was tasty and included in the price of the room, and they provided snacks throughout the day. Yummy! If you're traveling to Rome, watch my Where to Stay in Rome video linked above, as well as my solo travel to Italy, Rome, and Florence video linked above. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, thumbs up, and share this video. Follow me on Instagram at Queen of the District. Until next time. Peace.